Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an accommodation to the trip that you created in the Luxury Escapes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the My Trips button at the bottom of the page, and then click on one of your created trips. And then if you scroll down a bit at the accommodations section, you can search for hotels, or you can add your own accommodations. So just click on the one that you want to use. And then just search for the destination first, and then set the check-in and the check-out time, and then set the guests, and then just click on the search button, and if you found a good accommodation, then just click on the Save to Trip button. And as you can see, if you go back to the London trip, the hotel is there and saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.